Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to share location on WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute to share your location. First of all, you will need to open any contact and now tap on this icon here and click on location and click on continue, allow. Now you can select share live location, or you can select send your current location. So select any of them. I'm going to selecting here share live location and clicking on continue and clicking on this send icon. And this is how we can send or share location on WhatsApp. If you think to see more WhatsApp videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.